Afternoon, judges. My name is Champagne. I come to you today with a heartbroken song, you know. Everybody can relate. Yeah, it's come time for me to say this. It's coming from my heart. It's been a long time coming since we've been better apart. You wanna work inside, everything's gonna change. I know that you know. Think it best we go our separate ways.
Thank you. You came in, you called yourself Champagne, and you sounded like house wine. I mean, that sort of sums up the performance. No, you are. That's the problem.
Could you take the glasses off so we can see what you're all about? That's better.
You know, there's no point us sitting here pretending that someone who is a bad sound-alike is going to do well. That's the reality.
It's a pity, because the image is really good.
Looks like he works in a poultry factory. He's got 2 pairs of sunglasses and a plastic microphone. How can you say the image is good?
Well, it's different. It's
that
different.
thing looks like the deli counter.
All right, judges. You know, I have to go find a young artist for perform in song you do.
It's epic out here.
Yo, Champagne, I am voice note me get. Champagne, me there I work with a young artist, you know, him name Usher. Yeah, him have a similar type of flow. Him bad. I want to do a collab, so just blink me back when you get that message, as in. Alright. Alright, Usher. Your time now. You go put it on like this and you go say, hang up, then you call right back. You got it, pad. Let me hear that.
Hang up and you call right back. You got it bad.
It's epic out here.
Shout out Production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows whenever I step in close.